Okay, so let's start lesson 5, upgrading and patching Oracle RAC. This lesson will give you an overview of a patching process, and also we will see how to download patch set and patches, and also which tools are available to apply patch set and also patch or patches. And that's what we're going to learn from this lesson. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you should be able to describe the types of patches and also plan for rolling patches and rolling upgrade and installing patch set with the OUI and installing a patch with the OPatch utility. And what is a patch? A patch is nothing more than a product fix code. And the patches are associated with particular releases and versions of Oracle products. And there are different the types of patches. In the next slide, we will see different patch types. And the patch cycle involves downloading patches. You go to Oracle support website and search for patch set or patches, and then you download it. In RAC environment, you can download it to NFS mount point and make them available to all members of a cluster. And then you apply patch, and you finally verify applied patches. And patching involves migrating from one version of a software product to another within a particular release. And when patch is applied to an Oracle software installation, and it updates the executable files, libraries, and object files in the software home directory. So that's why when you perform in-place patch, you will have to stop all the process running out of Oracle Home. And patch application can also update configuration file, and Oracle supply the SQL schemas as well. And this slide is showing you a list of patches. This is the current patch type, and in the previous release we also called with a different name, and we have interim patches, and this is a release to fix a bug or a collection of bugs, and previously called the patch set exceptions, or a one-off patch or patches, or hot fixes. And also we have interim patches for security bug fixes, and also diagnostic patches, and we have a bundle patch update as well. Bundle patch update, it is a cumulative collection of fixes for a specific product or component. And previously we called it as a maintenance pack or a service pack and cumulative patch and so on. And we also have another patch type, PSU, patch set update. It's an update to patch set. It is a cumulative patch bundles that contain well-tested and proven bug fixes for critical issues. And also we have a security patch update. All these are patch types. When you go to Oracle support website and when you search for patch, and you will see the patch type of the patch types of a patch that you are searching. And the installation of a patch is the same. So we use OPatch to install patches. Okay, so suppose that you want to apply patch set, or you want to install Oracle RAC patch set. So where should I go? And you can go to the Oracle support website, and you can actually click Patches and Update tabbed page. And under Patching Quick Link area, you will see Latest Patch Set. And it gives you a patch set location for each product. and you can click Oracle Database to search for Oracle RAC patch set. If you want to search for the RAC patches, then in the patch search area, and you have a search engine, and you have one of three options: number, name, or bug number. So by providing the patch number or bug number, you can get what you need. And also you have advanced search, and also you have a recommended patch advisor available. So you can actually obtain RAC patch set and patches from Oracle support website. For example, I have the Oracle support website, support.oracle.com. And here we have patches and update. When you go to this location, and you will see patching quick link, and you can actually click latest patch set for the products. Okay, so we have different products. Since we are working on a real application cluster, so we are interested in RDBMS, and you can also search for the platform Linux x86 64-bit, and also we have a patch set here. So we have there's no patch set for 12.2 according to this, and we have an 18C available, and 12.102 here, and 11.204, 11.203, 11.202. So these are all patch sets. Okay, when you click patch set 12.102, and you scroll all the way down, then you will see a list of patches. And when you look at the size of a patch set, it's 9 gigabytes and 10 gigabytes, quite large. Okay, it's because your patch set, it includes a complete software binary in addition to bug fixes. So you can just download it and you install in new home to perform out of a place patch installation. So that's in a patch set. So you can search for patch set, and you can also review the README doc as well. And you can also click this patch number, and you can just download it. Here we have option to download. And then let me take a look at patch search engine. And if you know exact patch number, you go to patch search area, you enter patch number and platform, or you have advanced the patch search engine. And also we have a recommended patch advisor. So what I'm gonna do, let's see, I'm interested in product. Let's say I'm interested in Oracle Real Application Cluster product, and for release 12.201, and also platform, let me choose 64-bit Linux, and you click search, then it will show you the patch available. So in this case, we have a general patch and recommended patch. So we have a small patch, each size is 258.7 megabytes, and you click patch number, and you have an option. Okay, so you can download it, and you can actually also read it. So when you click download, so you have an option. This is zip file, and you can simply download, and you can install it. And also you can click README, and it will go in a README page. And this document is accurate at the time of release, and also you will see prerequisite and patch information, and also installation. So we have all this information available. So let's come back. So you can, once you found patches what you need, you can just download it, and you can download it to local file system or NFS file system to make them available to all members of a cluster. And once you downloaded the patch set and patches. How to install those patches. And to install patch set, we're going to use out-of-place upgrade patching method. It's the same as a software installation. So you're going to use OUI, Oracle Universal Installer, and you install patch set completely new home. Okay? Because patch set include base software and also bug fixes as well. So we install new software that is delivered through patch set in new home, and you can do this one node at a time. So one node at a time. That is a rolling patch set installation. Now, to be able to apply patches, we're going to use all-patch utility. And we have 3 possible options. All node patch. Okay? And so we can actually just patch RAC as a single instance, meaning that you shut down all database instances and you apply patch across all servers. And this is to reduce total maintenance time. However, there will be some the downtime. And in order to minimize the downtime, you can patch group by group. So if you have a 4-node cluster, you patch first 2 nodes, and then you patch the next 2 nodes. So you can apply patch one group at a time, or you can do rolling patch. So if you have a 4-node cluster, and you apply patch 4 times, one at a time. So it will take more maintenance time, but this method is used to reduce downtime. So depending on your requirement, you can choose either all node patch or minimum downtime patch and rolling patch. So you can choose one of the 3 possible options. And this is an example of the patch set upgrade. So we use OUI. When you start OUI, and you will see installation option. And third option is upgrade an existing database. Okay, so you choose this option to install patch set in new home, so that allow you to perform out-of-place upgrade. And then once the software is installed, by using DBUA, you upgrade the database as well. And if you want to upgrade the database software by installing patch set, we use OUI, and we install software completely new home. But before installing database software, you must upgrade the grid infrastructure first. Okay? Your grid infrastructure must be same or higher version than your database software version. And then you will have to follow instruction in your Oracle OS specific document, or you have to read in a patch set in a README document. And then use OUI to install Oracle database software. And then you execute pre-upgraded information tool. Okay, so unlike a previous version in 12.2, you can use a pre-upgraded.jar pre-upgraded information tool. It can be run in OS prompt or SQL prompt. So you can actually run a new information tool. And then you're going to run root.sh script as directed by OUI. Once your database software is upgraded, then you're going to upgrade your database. You can upgrade it manually, or you can upgrade using DBUA. And also rolling patch. So what about patching? Okay, so for patching, you can use all node patch or minimum downtime patch or rolling patch. And this slide is showing you the rolling patch example. In order to perform rolling patch, your database home must be installed in the local file system. In a picture in the right-hand side, this is an example of shared software home. In this case, rolling patch is not possible. So once you apply patch, that will affect all instances running out of the RAC node. So in order to perform rolling patch and the patch one node at a time, you will have to have a software installed in the local file system. So by doing so, you can perform rolling patch. And we're going to use an Auth patch utility to install patches. And it is a Java-based utility. And Auth patch is included in Oracle Clusterware 12c installation. And also you can download from the support in our website as well. And also in the large environment, and instead of using Auth patch, you can use Enterprise Manager patching in automation capability as well. And when you apply patch using Auth patch, okay, and you will have to know usage of Auth patch, export Oracle Home, and check for Auth patch commands available, and check for options available, 2 different ways. So you can run Auth patch command -help command. This will show you the list of Auth patch in syntax. And also to see whether patch can be applied in the rolling fashion, you can run Auth patch query -is rolling patch. So that is an option that you can use to check whether the patch can be installed in the rolling fashion. So what should I do before patching with Auth patch? And set Oracle Home correctly and back up directory that is being patched with OS utility or Oracle Secure Backup, and stage downloaded the patch, and you update path for Auth patch directory. And then we're going to install patch in the rolling fashion. So we're going to check Oracle inventory, and then we're going to double check patch installed. And then we're going to check prerequisite and determine if any installed interim patches conflict with a patch to be installed. And then you shut down instance running on local node. And then you apply patch and you verify. So these are actually our steps. And also, we will have to repeat if that is a rolling patch. And if you want to automate your patch, the patch process, you want to apply patch to grid infrastructure and multiple RAC database home, and you want to automate many of the steps, then you can use Auth patch automation option as well. And this is an example. So we use Auth patch auto apply. So this allows you to patch grid home and all Oracle RAC database homes of the same version. And to use Auth patch auto, you must log in as a root user account. And you can also patch only one grid home or one or more RAC database homes using Auth patch auto. So it simplifies your patching process, but you will be root user account. And if you want to see Auth patch log file and trace file information, and you go to Oracle Home, CFG tool logs /Auth patch directory to view Auth patch information, Auth patch log information and trace information. And also, you can query inventory information with a PL/SQL procedure. Okay, we can use Auth patch the list inventory command, but if you have any developers who want to write PL/SQL code to retrieve inventory information, then DBMS Q or patch package will provide that capability. So we can use it. And the interface provides all the patch information available as a part of Auth patch list inventory-xml command. The patch accesses OUI patch inventory in real time to provide the patch and patch metadata information. So we can use this patch So you can write in a PL SQL code, and you can pull out information from inventory. Okay, so what other options available? So OPatch utility is a utility that allows you to install patches. OUI is the method to install patch set for patch set upgrade. What other options available? And you can use Enterprise Manager Cloud Control the patching operations. So Enterprise Manager provides provisioning function and patching function. So using that method, we can patch grid infrastructure and Oracle RAC database software in the large IT environment. Or we have a rapid home provisioning and patching and upgrade. And this is another method that we can use. It uses the base image as cold images. So we can import software or patches and patch set as a cold image. And also we leverage ACFS file system, the feature. So for example, we can create working copy by creating ACFS snapshot. And also we can export the patch downloaded or patch set downloaded to the Rapid Home Provisioning client. It could be a RAC client or a standalone client. Okay, so when exporting the patch code, we use ACFS HA-NFS feature, highly available NFS feature, meaning that we have an ACFS snapshot that include the patch code or the patch to Oracle Home, and we're gonna export the content of ACFS or ACFS snapshot by using HA-NFS to the client. And then we actually install software in the Rapid Home Provisioning client side. So this is another method of what we can use. And which tool can be used to install a patch set? And we use Oracle Universal Installer, yes, or patch only for patches, not for patch set. And we also can use Enterprise Manager Database Control or Database Console. And also, we can use the Rapid Home Provisioning. Okay, so we can use Enterprise. Actually, I better say this Enterprise Manager Cloud Control. So, we will have to change these two keywords: Enterprise Manager Cloud Control, and also Rapid Home Provisioning. Okay, so after making correction, so the answer would be A and C and E. Okay, so this is for lesson 5.